Hi, welcome to Quotation. In this video, I will show you how you can generate an invoice and send a WhatsApp message using the Odoo platform. So currently I'm using Odoo 19, the latest version as of 2025 November. And here you need to make sure that you have your WhatsApp module installed as well as your business account, the WABA configured. Okay, so if I go to configuration, you have your WhatsApp business account configured here. So if you go back, so let's dive in the first step. So first we will create the WhatsApp template. Okay? And I will say that the invoice is ready. This is fine for now. Okay, then we need to change the model here since this is an invoicing model. Okay, I'll show you a way how we can figure that part out. So here I'll go back. Okay, so this is a trick for you to learn. Okay, if I go back, I go to my sales, I'll pick one of my random test data. Okay, then this is a quotation one to invoice. So I'll pick this one. This is a quotation. Okay, so from quotation it goes to the sales. Okay, so I'll pick this, and there is a one invoice attached, and I will open it, and then on top I will question mark debug equal to true. Okay. So if I put this, I will have the debug mode enabled and I will check for the current model. Okay, so I'll pick any of this, and it says that the model, you might see it here. I cannot move the mouse. Here you will see a model. Model is account dot move. Okay, so I'll go here back. Okay, since this is a account model. Okay, so I'll search for account dot move. Okay, so as you can see, the account dot move is a journal entry. Okay, I'll select it. A journal entry comes. Okay, the phone field here. So phone field will be used as per the customer. Okay, so phone field, it's a, if you can see the label here, it's partner. Okay, so I'll go back. Okay, so I'll select partner. Okay, partner and then phone. And phone field is very important here because we are sending the WhatsApp message. Then scroll down. Okay, we'll see the marketing. So this is a utility because you're sending a invoice to your client and not for any marketing purpose. Okay. And the body I'll pick from my ChatGPT. I'll generate sample one. Just copy this. I'll remove some of them. Not all are required. I'll paste it here. Okay, your invoice for amount da, 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 is now ready. Account due, amount due. Okay, we can put it invoice is now ready. I will remove the download link because we'll directly attach the PDF. Okay. So set invoice already, amount due, and due date. Okay, I'll change the variable numbers 3, 1 to 3. So if I go back, so I have 1 to 3. Okay. So next is that we need to select the header type. Okay. So header type is here document because it's a PDF. And in the report, we will use the invoice PDF. Okay, perfect. So I will place this as the footer message for now, and then I will select the first is the hi. Okay, so hi field name. I can put sample if the name is not available. Put sir slash mem field of model, and here, as you know that it's the partner module. So we select partner here, and then the name. Okay, so that's it. Then the second thing, the second variable is amount due. I go here, amount due. I'll show how you can see that. Okay. So amount due, if you scroll down, it's if you see here, amount due is here. Okay. So it's amount due residue amount underscore residue. Okay. So it's available directly. Okay. So amount due. is a field of model. Okay, amount due is there, and the last, the third, so due date. Okay, so due date, so field of model, due date. So that's set. Okay, it's all good. I'll save the template. I'll just review it once. Activity, okay, 100 me, everything is set. Okay, so I'll submit for approval. So normally it takes like more than 10 to 15 seconds, but in certain scenarios it can take more time. So it has already been submitted to the WhatsApp Waba backend. So we'll wait for a bit. So it will shows the pending for now. I'll refresh it. Okay. So we'll wait for a bit till it's approved. Can try to refresh the page and see if it's approved. Perfect. It's done. Okay. So now your invoice is ready. We'll go back to the accounting module. Yeah, I'll go to the accounting module. So I'll pick okay, accounting. I will go to the sales and then I'll try to create a quotation and then we come back to the accounting. Okay. So that will be better. So you see the full journey. So I'll create a new quotation here. Customer, I pick my random demo one. So for now, I'll add a product, something with the cloud deployment. I'll say the quantity is 10, unit price is 500. Okay, so the amount comes to 5,000. And as you can see, the taxes are automatically reflected here. For the service, I'll save it and then I think the quotation is ready. Okay, so that you see the flow is more important than just jumping onto the invoice. Okay, so I'll confirm. So now the sales order is ready. Now we will invoice this. Okay, so let's create an invoice. So I'll create a regular one. We'll ignore the SSC code for this. Okay, so I think I'll just check it. So good, and I'll confirm. Okay, so the invoice is generated. So now what we will do, once the invoice is ready, we will click on this WhatsApp button here. Okay, and you will see the same template. Remember that it needs to be approved before it starts showing here. Okay, so invoice is ready. So that's the one. As you know that this, you can also see how the things already populated here. Amount due 5250 and the due date is also automatically fetched. Okay. And the client name is also here. As I have put on the here, it's client. Okay, so that's also post. Yeah. So click on this send message. And then let's wait to watch. So you'll see in the activity tab. I'll just open my mobile. This is my number that I have. Ignore the top messages, just a test once. Okay. So this is how the message will arrive to your client's WhatsApp. So if I open the invoice, okay, so this is like the perfect design official template that you have. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please put down in the comment and do subscribe. I will put more Odoo videos as I see this channel grow. Thanks.